All right, everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. I'm going to be going over another video talking about the union today, and I would like to discuss my biggest fears about joining the union, and I will also be making reasons why I'm excited to join the union in another video probably next, so stay tuned for that within the next day or so. So right now, my biggest fears are, I think there's 6 of them, in no particular order. Number 1, this isn't the actual number 1, but this is just written on the list. Number 1, my biggest fears about joining the union are cutting my hair. Like, I know that sounds like really dumb, but like I'm really happy with where I'm at right now, and it's taken me over 2 years to grow out my hair. And if they said I had to cut my hair for the job, I don't know if I would join. But anyways, I really don't want to cut my hair. It shouldn't be a big deal. It's probably like a legal reason or discriminatory reason to say to cut my hair for the job. But anyways, that's where I'm at. Number 2, the uncertainty, and that is just like joining something like totally new and something that I've never done before, and just like all the other things. I'll give you an example of that here in a second. Just like never knowing like if you're gonna lose your job or anything like that. So number 3 is the drive time. Sometimes the jobs where you will be working could be out of town or just like over in Portland, which means drive time, traffic, a long time to get home, stuff like that. That's stuff I'm not looking forward to, but things I'm willing to risk for the sake of the union and extra money. Another fear is working on Saturdays. That's just something that I don't do because of religious reasons, but that's already been cleared with my new job. They don't care if I work on Saturdays or not, so that one's already taken care of. Each company I would assume is different, but moving on to the next one is the layoffs. I've always heard about I've always heard people saying like, oh, you get laid off really fast or pretty often in the union, and so that's one thing that I'm worried about just because I've heard about it so much. Maybe it's not true, maybe it is. I'll let you guys know as time goes on with the channel and my time in the union. So layoffs is a concern, and then also the next one is finding your own jobs or bidding. So like, I guess like calling companies wouldn't be a big deal. Like that's kind of what I was gonna start doing, but also like this whole bidding thing, I have no idea how that works exactly. Like they put the jobs on the website, and I don't know how many union electricians there are. Maybe there's 1,000, maybe there's like 10,000. So they put like a job listing on their website, and then you have to like apply for it and like get accepted to it. So I don't know how all that works. I don't know if I ever plan on trying that, but just making sure that I have a job is a concern because you never know if times get rough or dry, or there's like a drought of work or anything like that. So those are my biggest fears. Not that big of a deal, I guess, besides the uncertainty and the drive time and the layoffs. But other than that, those are my concerns right now, and that's where I'm at. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have any concerns or things to maybe reassure me, or fears that you had joining the union that were taken care of, if there's some union people out there that are willing to maybe just reassure me, that would be great. Or just let me know how things worked out for you and things you were worried about. I'd appreciate that in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. I'd love to see you guys back here in the next video, especially with reasons why I'm excited to join the union. So stay tuned for that. Check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.